Well, g'day there, and welcome to another Planter Banter video. Seeds. You gotta love them. I just recently got a pretty big order, and I'll go through exactly what I got a bit later on. We're now entering the second week of winter here in Australia, and that means some seeds require a little bit of dormancy time in order to germinate in spring. This is like replicating a winter time, and it's referred to as stratification. So out of all the seeds I got, these are the ones that require a dormancy period. After the seeds have soaked for a day, I then put them on a piece of tissue paper or some paper towel, wrap them up and give them a spray. You want to make sure they're moist but not too wet. Then put them in a plastic bag and then put them in the fridge for 60 to 90 days. For each tree species, I'll put out an individual video to show you how I go. And into the fridge they go. Despite it being winter, I don't think I'll be able to wait to germinate all of these species, so I might try and make a microclimate inside my house with my warm fire, a heat mat for underneath the trays, and some grow lights too. So there's just a little update on what's going on for the channel and some insight into some future videos. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.